Good morning students. Class 7 chapter 16 data handling exercise 6.2. In the previous video we have completed exercise 16.1 and we have now start exercise 16.2, but now we only discuss about exercise 16.2, and in the exam the basic of the exercise is included, and in the exam only 16.3 and basic of exercise 16.2 is included. So now we discuss basic of 16.2, and in the next video we start exercise 16.3. So what is the basic of exercise 16.2? In the basic there are three terms: arithmetic, mean, median and mode. So what is the mean? Please open page number 304, heading arithmetic mean. What is the mean का फार्मूला? सम ऑफ ऑल ऑब्जर्वेशन अपॉन नंबर ऑफ ऑब्जर्वेशन. इट्स मीन का जो बेसिक फार्मूला है, व्हाट इज फार्मूला ऑफ मीन? इसे हम एवरेज भी कॉल करते हैं, एवरेज. तो व्हाट इज द फार्मूला ऑफ मीन? सम ऑफ ऑब्जर्वेशन या नंबर्स एंड अपॉन नंबर ऑफ नंबर्स, यानी कि जो भी नंबर्स आपके पास होंगे उनका एडिशन इन न्यूमरेटर और उनकी काउंटिंग इन डिनोमिनेटर, इसे कॉल किया जाएगा अर्थमेटिक मीन. इट्स मीन हम केवल इसका बेसिक पढ़ेंगे एंड एक्सरसाइज 16.2 इज इंक्लूड इन नेक्स्ट एग्जाम, बट बेसिक इज कंपल्सरी फॉर दिस एग्जाम. सो वी अप्लाई दिस अर्थमेटिक इन एग्जाम्पल नंबर 1. In example number 1, numbers are given 4, 5, 5, 6, 6, 8, 9, 10, 6, 7, 8, 7, 7, 10, and we have to find out its mean. So mean is equal to sum of the observation. Its mean 4 plus 5 plus 5 plus 6 plus 6 plus 8 plus 9 plus 10 and 10. इट्स मीन जो नंबर्स आपके पास गिवन है उनका एडिशन एंड अपॉन काउंटिंग. देयर काउंटिंग इज 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13 14. देयर काउंटिंग इज 14. सो वी राइट 14. सम ऑफ these numbers is 98. So 98 upon 14 is equal to 7. So mean equal to 7. It is the basic formula of mathematical mean. मैं again repeat करूँगा. In the midterm exam only basic of this chapter is included. So bus we revise the formula of arithmetic mean. Now second, median. What is the median? Median means mid value. If numbers are given, so their mid value is called median. Page number 305, heading is median. Middle term is called median. In this question in the median there are two formulas for counting odd and counting even. If n is odd number, n represent counting. So what is the formula of median? N plus 1 upon 2 th term. And what is the formula of median? F in any is even. So formula of median is n upon 2 th term plus n upon 2 plus 1 th term and total के upon में 2. So these are two formulas for median. We study the formulas with examples. Firstly note down the formula. Again repeat, only basic of this exercise is included in midterm exam. For this example number 2, A part, here are two example number 2, A part, numbers are given 9, 11, 12, 13 and 15. To find out median, firstly we write the data in ascending order or descending order. Data is already in ascending order, so we have no problem, but they are counting 1 2 3 4 5 and their counting is 5, which is odd number. So what is the value of median? 5 plus 1 upon 2 th term. It means 6 upon 2 th term. So value is third term. Now what is the third term? First, second and third. So answer is 12. So it is the counting for odd number. Note down it. Now we apply the median for counting is even number. For even number we note down okay, we take example yourself. Suppose numbers are 3 2 5 8 9 11. 6 numbers हो गए. n equal to 6 माने even. Firstly write the data in ascending order. 2 3 5 8 9 and 11. It's your choice. You can data in ascending order or descending order. It's no foundation. So what is the formula of median? n upon 2, 6 upon 2 th term plus 6 upon 2 plus 1 th term and total के upon में 2. Its value is third term plus and its calculation is fourth term. Total के upon में 2. Now what is third term? First, second, third. Third term is 5 and fourth term is 8. So 13 upon 2 answer is 6.5. So it is median. I again repeat, only basic of exercise 6.2 is included in the syllabus of midterm. Now last term is mode. Mode. Please open page number 308. Mode. Mode is the value of the observation which is most frequently. Most frequently mean जो सबसे ज़्यादा बार repeat होती है. To consider this mode. Suppose numbers are given 2 3 1 2 5 6 2 4 5 3. And in these numbers we have to consider that firstly they are in ascending order. 1 2 2 2 and after this 3 3 4 5 5. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9. One number is missing, obviously 6. Now we can say that 2 is repeat mostly, यानी कि frequency of 2 is 3. So mode is equal to 2. जो भी नंबर सबसे ज़्यादा बार रिपीट होगा उसे मोड कॉल करेंगे. So it is the basic of the chapter. We have discussed only 3 terms, mean, median and mode, and it is include your syllabus. Next video we start exercise 6.3. So in the midterm syllabus exercise 6.0 16.3 and basic of 16.2 is included. Thank you very much.